Hello Python programmers, this is AK. In this video we are going to learn about how to create an edge detection program using Python. So in this video we are going to use three Python libraries to detect the edges in the input images. So the libraries that we are using here are OpenCV, NumPy and Matplotlib. So using these three libraries we are going to detect the edges. Okay, the edge detection project is considered a mini project in Python programming. Those who are searching for mini project in Python, you can take this project. Okay, so before starting this video you need to know one thing, that is why we need edge detection. The edge detection is an image processing technique for finding the boundaries of object within images. It works by detecting the discontinuities in brightness. So based on the image brightness and gray factors, it detects the edges in the input images. Okay, edge detection is used for image segmentation and data extraction in areas such as image processing, computer vision and machine vision. And the real world applications of edge detections are the fingerprint scanners in mobile phones, satellite image processing and medical science fields. These are the areas the edge detection technology is highly created and impact. Okay, so before starting this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. These things will motivate me to produce more good content in Python programming. Okay, so let's start this video. First you need to install three libraries on your terminal. So install the requirements on your command prompt. Okay, after installing the requirements, you need to import these three libraries. Here we are applying the Canny edge detector algorithm that is present in the OpenCV library in Python. The Canny edge detector is an edge detection operator that uses multi-stage algorithm to detect a wide range of edges in the images. It was developed by John F. Canny in 1986. Canny also produced a computational theory of edge detection explaining how this technique works. So this is the small intro about the edge detection algorithm. If you want more details about this algorithm, check out the Wikipedia. They gave more detailed information about this algorithm. Okay. Now after importing all the libraries, declare a variable called an image, and in this variable pass the input image that you want to detect. Before making this script, I plan to create this program to detect the edges of real-time faces by using webcam. But I have very short time for creating this script. Because of that I made this video. Definitely I will do the real-time edge detection using OpenCV. After that, declare a variable called edges, and you have to set the image height and width in the object Canny. Okay, next you need to plot the image by using the Matplotlib library. For detecting the edges, you have to convert the input image into the gray color to identify the brightness that present in the edges. After converting the image, you need to set the title as the original image. This is for to ensure the difference between the original image and the edged image. So this step is only for plotting the original image, and for plotting the edged image you have to pass the variable edges in the plot method. Okay, so that's all about the code. Let's run this program. So you can see that this program works perfectly and correctly predicts the edges and it correctly predicts the edges in the boundaries of the original image. So that's all about this video. If you like this video, give a like and subscribe and share for more interesting scripts in Python. Thanks for watching and thank you. See you on next video.